Well, hey folks, we're back. We're gonna do another big, elegant table, and we're gonna do it in a fall, particular elegant style, void of red and orange leaves and pumpkins, more of in a Victorian flavor and very elegant for a formal dinner table. Right here on my take on Home and Garden. Once again, we want to establish the length of our centerpiece. So I've chosen this basket. We have the pine in it for an oasis. You know that I like to use. It just makes sense. We use it all year. And I have ferns that are turning to push over that fall idea. And we're going to do the same for quite a while on each side. There's a feather fern, and here is a fiddler fern. You know I like to use. That's going to establish our overall length of the centerpiece. I like to feather in a little bit of off-white as well to make sure we have enough. Also, it gives contrast. If you just did an arrangement with one color, you know, you're not gonna get the bang out of it that you need with no contrast. Now we've got our off. These are just wonderful. Off-white. We're gonna go up on top of them. One in the back of the handle, one in the front. I think these lilies will play out nice in a formal arrangement because they're off white. Cabbage rose with a dusky cheek and center. Now, real soon you're gonna see where this takes a turn for the fall, so to speak. These bigger peonies fill in the back. Creamy white, now you know, creamy white to tie them in and hold them in place. Look at that color. Oh my goodness. Really sweet. Now we're going to fill in a little bit in the front. Get our general shape and height here. And we'll eventually want to build that up as well. Okay, we're waiting. Where's the fall? It's coming right now. Here's a dark rusty lavender. And we're going to want one of those in each end. Put that on top of our lavender, like that, on both sides. come in again twice with this beautiful dusky. That's even a tough color. You want to get a little more height in the back here with that, and you can see it starting to take shape. We've got these wonderful accents, and we only have two, so I'm gonna go behind and above our line again. Like this is above the dusky rose color and the lavender. I'm going to go with these crab apples, and we're going to give it a little dimension by going behind what we did so far. In front of our tall rose, but behind the handle. We'll try to get that even. Now these really speak full, so I think I want to go with them possibly toward the front, in front of the fern, and we're gonna pull them out. If you notice, each branch of this little bunch has 3 branches, so I like to pull that apart for effect, like here, where one can swing down low and it looks more realistic. And we're going to do that again on the opposite side. Close to even. Take a first one and take it down low. Little, a little more. Now, if you're used to watching, you've seen us. We don't always stay completely formal. We'll always have some highlighted pieces. So far, we're still completely formal here. I thought it was tall, but we're gonna save those stems. Getting busy. There it is. I want this just on top of what we have. Need it for height and dimension and balance of color. Get a little more height here with those. Contemplating these, but possibly. Let's look at it. One in the end. If it's complimentary, we'll keep it. If it's not, it can go. I think it's really working. Let's take a look. As you can see, we need a little filler piece here in the front. Go to work, do your job. Okay, here's where we're going to drift a little bit, like you know I like to do. Here's an accent piece. There's only one. It's perfectly good. He can go in there. We got another one, but on the opposite side. Obviously different. I think they really work. I like this for the front. Take care of that. Left and then right. Now find that spot where it'll go in. And then one for the top. A little crowning glory for the top. I think this is our formal table centerpiece with a fall and Victorian flavor. Okay folks, now our inspiration for today's table is this incredible new set we've been working on and collecting by Heinrich and Company of Bavaria from the 1920s to 40s, and this is called Meadow. So you see we're gold rimmed again, so we're going to use gold charger plates. And we'll need some ancillary pieces, as usual. We got the gravy boat with its plate. We have the soup tureen with its lid. Now I think we'll show the head table setting with the salad plate and the bread and butter plate. We'll do what we can. Now those good folks that have been with us, they know the routine. We're big on a proper formal table where the dinner knife is on the right and the dinner spoon is on the right of that. Then, as you know, we're gonna want that dinner fork on the left with the salad fork next to that. Biltmore Riesling. And we'll need a setup at each end. Salt and pepper set up at each end. Just in time for fall, we got these available, these little salt cellars. They call them for dipping your veggies. Too cute. Now folks, I think we've just about got it. Let's take a look all around. Alright folks, now you can come dine with us. We've got plenty of room. Give us a call. Give us a thumbs up. And give us a comment if you like our table today. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and you can follow us on Instagram at My Take on Home and Garden. Be good to each other. We'll get through this wacky time. And take care, folks. We do care. And we'll see you in the next video.